Fix Windows 11 settings not opening, closing immediately, 100% working. If your Windows 11 settings is not opening or closes immediately, this fix will solve it. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when Windows 11 settings does not open or closes immediately. This issue usually happens because of a corrupted system app, but don't worry, this simple command will fix the problem. First, right-click on the Start button, then click on Terminal Admin. If User Account Control appears, click Yes. When the terminal opens, copy and paste the first command. Now, press Enter. If you are using Windows 11, copy the second command, and if you are using Windows 10, copy the third command. In my case, I am a Windows 11 user, so I am going to copy second command and paste it into the terminal. Now, press Enter. Wait a few seconds while the command runs. Even if you see no message or any warning, that's normal. Once the process is complete, close the terminal. Now, restart your computer. After restarting, open the Settings app again. You will see that Windows 11 Settings is now opening normally and no longer closing automatically. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with others. And for more Windows tips and fixes, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.